Drunken Violinist here. I'm Ash. Today we are drinking an Australian Shiraz from 2019. The winemaker is called Jam Tree, and this wine is called Obsidian, and it's from McLaren Vale, and it's from Australia. It's certified organic, biodynamic, low preservative, and vegan friendly. I thought all wine is vegan friendly. So what else? Yeah, if you like anything full body, very juicy, this is the go-to. I got gifted, but they actually have a very sleek design that you can't tell anymore because I opened it up already. But it was sealed with waxes, and it was it wasn't really wax, but it was in this very fancy silver rubber-ish bottle top design that it looks very cute. Very cool. Anyways, this is the wine that I'm having tonight, and I hope you guys are doing well. It's been, how long has it been? It's been 1 year, a little bit more since COVID. I know, it's still going, it's still a thing. How is that still a thing? I got news. Since you all know, I used to run food tours in Hong Kong for, curious travelers who also like to eat. But unfortunately, because of COVID, I can't run the business anymore. So I got a full-time job. I know, it sucks. But I had to be very realistic. I have 5 animals to feed, so I need my full-time job. So it's going okay. I'm learning a lot, even though there's, little hiccups, as all jobs do. Yeah, that's my little update. I hope you guys are doing well, and we're gonna play some violin, shitty violin. Okay, what are we gonna play today? Let's see. Okay. Okay, disclaimer, because my violin, I don't know why, but I kind of fucked up my strings. As you can see, there's like bits here and there. I really need to go change the strings soon. Tomorrow. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So it's just gonna sound a little wacky tonight. So I guess it makes sense because we're just drunken violinists and we don't play it perfectly. Okay. That was bad. That was really bad. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna play that song because it just shows how fucked up my violin is and how fucked up my playing is. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, that's totally out of tune. Okay. You know what? I need another sip of wine because that was just shit. That was really, really shit. And Julian, if you're watching this, please don't keep watching it because it's just terrible. So, okay, name dropping here, but Julian Ando is one of my favorite violin YouTubers. He plays amazing violin. And I subscribed to his Patreon, we talked, and I completely forgot I have the Drunken Violinist on my YouTube. And I sent it to him. So I basically show this perfect violinist, my Drunken Violinist episode, and I'm just like, don't do it. Alright. Okay, my dogs are not helping. But I think we have to cancel tonight because the violin is fucked. Sorry, it's just really, really terrible here. I don't know what happened. And my dog is crying. So yeah, here's a little update. Okay, okay. I'll try one more. One more, Sylvie. One more. Hi, Sylvie. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. Today, the Drunken Violinist is really, really not really... I shouldn't be filming this, but I miss you guys, and I hope you guys are all doing well, and this is it. This is why we're called this Drunken Violinist, because when I fucked up, I have the perfect excuse. Love you all. Bye.